there, art enthusiasts. Welcome back to Resin Art by Siley. Dive in with me today as we ride the waves of creativity and make a splash with this stunning ocean-themed resin frame. Alright, let's set sail. We're mixing up a storm with this vibrant purple hue. Look at that blend, isn't it just oceanic magic in the making? Pouring resin feels like watching the sea during sunset. Every swirl, every ripple tells a tale. And today's tale? It's all about a beautiful little princess named Drishna. 10 snapshots, 10 priceless moments. Every photo is a chapter from Drishna's enchanting journey. And what's a story without a personal touch? Here is her name, shimmering amidst our resin ocean. Now, for the heart of our ocean. A message straight from the hearts of Kunjan and Mihir to their little star. She is our heart, our soul, the best thing that ever happened to us. How touching is that? And now, for that final magical touch. Pouring the top coat, giving our masterpiece that glossy, flawless finish. Watch as it glides, sealing Drishna's memories with a shimmering shield. See how everything's coming together? This frame isn't just art, it's emotion, memories, and so much love, all set against our magnificent purple ocean backdrop. Almost there. And voila! Here is our oceanic masterpiece dedicated to Drishna. Isn't it just the perfect keepsake? If this art wave made a splash in your heart, hit that subscribe button. Dive deeper with Resin Art by Siley and let's keep this art adventure going. Stay creative, stay radiant, and until next time, keep turning life's moments into resin masterpieces.